Wow, can you believe it? Even the most of graduates in Sri Lanka can be unemployed, but IJC students must be employed to graduate. Do you know what is GDSE? GDSE is a 2 year program which covers web application development, mobile application development, machine learning, UI UX engineering, artificial intelligence, IoT, and many more. The industrial placement begins after completing 1.5 years of your academics. After 6 months training at the industry, you will get many types of job opportunities, such as software engineering, QA engineering, business analyst, game developer, and etc. And also, you can become a high salary earning IT professional. Once you finish GDSE, you can follow the internationally recognized BSc Hans in Computer Science degree. It's a unique rule of IJSC that you must be an IT professional to follow the degree. Wow, can you believe it? Even the most of graduates in Sri Lanka can be unemployed, but IJSC students must be employed to graduate. IJSC guarantees that you are employable with a super solution for unemployment. Stop daydreaming after A-levels and face the reality of IT industry. So if you want to become a professional in IT industry, IJSC is the best place in Sri Lanka.